DeepSeek, a powerful open-source large language model, can be efficiently run on your local computer using Llama, a lightweight and optimized inference framework. Llama simplifies the process of deploying AI models on personal machines by offering streamlined installation, minimal resource consumption, and high-speed performance. By integrating DeepSeek with Llama, users can leverage advanced AI capabilities without relying on cloud-based solutions, ensuring data privacy and offline accessibility. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or AI enthusiast, running DeepSeek locally with Llama allows you to explore natural language processing (NLP) tasks such as text generation, summarization, and sentiment analysis with ease. To get started, you need to install Llama and download the DeepSeek model that suits your requirements. Llama supports various hardware configurations, making it possible to run DeepSeek efficiently even on consumer-grade GPUs. Once set up, you can interact with the model through simple API calls or a command line interface, allowing seamless integration into your projects. The combination of DeepSeek and Llama not only enhances computational efficiency but also reduces dependency on expensive cloud computing resources. By setting up DeepSeek locally, you gain full control over AI-driven workflows, enabling customization and fine-tuning to meet specific needs. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel.